our goal is to try to really get the word out to our community and help educate our community and basically make ourselves visible on the island, let people understand what it is that we are trying to do and how all of this is going to work and affect everyone. So one of the things that we are really focused on is our Fani Nanzen meetings, which basically is meetings for small group meetings for friends and family. So I know that a lot of us have a difficult time talking about independence. A lot of us don't have all the answers. We don't, take hours out of our day to read economic reports and whatnot. And so, we get it. And it's not, this is not something that each of us should have to be able to do in order to have a quality conversation with our families about independence. So what we want to do is we want to help make this a little bit easier for folks. And so the idea is that if you have friends or family members or even co-workers, people in your personal circles that are curious or interested about independence, invite them to a Fani Nanzen. We want these to be welcoming and open and easy for people to engage. So all you got to do is bring folks together, set a time and a place. If you could give us like a week or at least a few days in advance notice, that would be great, so that we can make sure that somebody from the task force will come down and staff this meeting and help facilitate the conversation. And all you got to do is just email one of us. You can email independentguahan.com. You can email me directly if you like. My email is liberateguam@gmail.com.